I'm pretty much sure that most of you have heard O Sajni Re song from Lapata Ladies.
O Sajni Re, kaise kate din raat.
Yep, a song that didn't just play, it stayed. But have you ever thought about the mind behind those magnetic words? I'm talking about Prashant Pandey, Filmfare Award-winning lyricist, originally from Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh, the same as mine. A songwriter whose words don't just stay on paper, they turn into melodies, memories, and emotions for millions. During his session at the Sitamo Literature Festival, organized by the District Administration of Mandsaur through the vision of Collectorate Aditi Garg ma'am, he spoke about his journey, the places that shaped him, and his connection with music, and shared even deeper thoughts. We spoke about whether lyricists belong to literature or just to cinema. Does winning a Filmfare Award brings confidence or pressure to prove more? And did he ever imagine that O Sajni Re song would touch people this deeply? And what message does he have for young minds of today? Let's hear from him. नमस्कार, मैं समीक्षा अजय। इस वक्त हम हैं नटनागर शोध संस्थान सितामो लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल जो अपने अंतिम चरण में है। हमारे साथ मौजूद है मिस्टर प्रशांत पांडे, a well-known lyricist and Filmfare awardee. So we welcome you. You spoke at Sitamol Literature Festival. How we felt about the vibe there?
It was really great that in this small town where we are living, and I'm living just 10 to 15 kilometers away from here, and we were not aware of this place itself. So it is really great that ma'am has organized this and people are knowing about this particular event and Dr. Saab, which is really very great.
Aditi ma'am has been doing this for this is the second year of this festival, and the Natnagar Show Sansthan consists of various historical facts and details. Like there are 45,000 manuscripts, letters from the medieval era, and many writers, historians, artists visited there, held their sessions. Have you been through Natnagar Show Sansthan yet?
As I told, like I came here once, but at that time the organization was closed. So this is the first time I am coming, and yeah, I'm having a great time because I saw this library and there are 70,000 books. This is very, very huge, and I'm mesmerized about the reading of Dr. Saab. First of all, that how a person can read 70,000 books and these many contacts.
Asia's biggest library, yeah. Like personal level.
So it's really very huge, I would say.
So you have a very good connection with the words and literature. Do you feel music lyrics are also should be considered a very great part of literature?
You can't say that lyricist should be a literature person because he has to write in various genres. There are pop, then hip hop, you can say. Then there are folk songs. Bollywood is a very different thing, which has a mixture of everything. So a literature person should not be very mandatory for lyricists. It should be a thoughtful person who can generate a particular big thought in small lines, or I would say 10 to 15 lines, and on meter.
Recently, you won Filmfare Award. Does winning a very, this is one kind of highest award in like songwriting or even Bollywood. Yes. Does it feel more pressurable to you, or you feel confident to present more great words?
For me, it is a responsibility now that I will write good songs, and it's not a pressure, but it gives me very much confidence that now I will write more songs, and I'll try to give my best, and our local language I'll promote.
Have you had a vision for Filmfare when you started working, or you were like going with the flow?
You should not have a vision to do that. Then only you will get it. I would say.
So working with Aamir Khan for the Lapata Ladies, which was a huge hit, and you got a global recognition, I'd say. Yes. Even a small kid knows the Sajni song. Have you had a vision about this? That this song is like will touch the emotional core of the people?
I would say that a simple song will always reach to people, but I was more considering the second song, Beda Par. It will reach to people, but Sajni was the candidate.
So you feel that expectations won't always come?
No, never.
And sir, like visiting the literature festival, and you said you felt like the Delhi's Lit Fest.
Yeah.
Have you ever had this kind of experience before? Like it's speaking with a vast audience, students, elders, officials. So how do you manage all of it?
Nowadays I am joining various events, so I can say now I am having, but before this film I have never joined this kind of events, and this is really very great for the people here. They should join here. I can see only students are coming here, but I will tell people that more and more people should come here and listen to the artists, the जो भी साहित्य के लोग हैं, और this particular event is very great for our district, because in Madhya Pradesh you can say there are many events, but in Mandsaur you will say this is the first one which is for 3 days. It's a big thing, so people should come.
So the last thing, so the Lapata ladies, or English if you say lost ladies, what's the thing when you found yourself? With the Lapata ladies, you found yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
So one last message you want to give the young students who want to come into Bollywood, or might do something in lyricist or anything like that.
In any field, there are 3 things which I wanted to say there, but I didn't get the time. I will tell here. So in Gita we have 3 guns: Satvik, Rajasik, and Tamsik. So Satvik, Krishna say, when you have nothing to get and then you pray me, I will accept you. That is moksha. And the second one is Rajasik, where you want something in this prayer, that I am praying you, just give me this. That is Rajasik, that is acceptable, but I don't accept those people. I just give them. And the third one is Tamsik, which is you don't know anything, but you are doing. So do anything with Satvik Guna. I don't want return anything, but I am doing it. Then only you will get everything.
That's
I
a
would say.
very, very big honor talking to you.
Thank you.